Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I will be rebuilding a set of 2013 Camaro SS Brembo brakes. I think they will look great on the Firebird. I already disassembled the other 3 calipers, but this is the last one, and as you can see, it has 4 pistons, which they have to come out, along with the seals. So the plan is to put the brake pads in the middle to prevent the pistons from jumping and getting damaged. And the way they're going to jump out is by blowing air through the brake hose. I'll show you in a second. The next part of the plan is to remove everything, the pass-through tube and the bleeding screws, because I'm going to send the calipers for powder coating. So I jumped the gun. Not all the pistons popped out, so I have to repeat the process again, and with the C-clamp, hold the ones that did pop out so I can make the other ones pop out, and then remove all 4. It's kind of complicated, but it works. Also with the screwdriver, I'm helping the piston completely come out of the chamber. Just barely tap it and it'll move out. Now all 4 pistons are out, and now I can remove the pass-through tube as well as the bleeding screws. Since I'm going to have the calipers powder coated, I'll put some old bleeding screws to protect the threads from getting powder coated inside. Doc's Garage Works is the best for powder coating. Check out his Instagram. That will do it for this video. Thanks for watching.